Alright, first up, we're here with Andres Mondragon, and we're going to ask you a few questions here. What got you into motocross?
Just watching motocross as a kid. I loved watching them ride, do jumps, cool things.
Nice, nice. Why do you like to ride?
I like to ride because you're free. There's nothing holding you back. You put your headphones in and you go.
Nice. I bet you have a lot of freedom there. What bike are you currently riding?
I got a Honda CFR 450.
Oh, that's a fast bike
Oh,
right
yeah.
there. That's some power. Who do you ride most with?
Usually my bros, Kason. He has another 450, so we usually go to the track.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, we are here with Kason Smith. Kason Smith, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing really well.
Why do you like to ride?
I like to ride because it gives me a sense of freedom and to really just go out there and do whatever I want.
What was your first bike you ever rode?
My first bike that I ever rode was a 50cc Husqvarna. It was a little screamer.
Nice, nice. What bike are you riding now?
I'm currently riding YZ450. It has a lot of torque and power, I'll tell you what.
Nice, nice. Where do you like to ride the most?
We kind of just go wherever we can, wherever a track is or just open road. We make our own trails pretty much.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thank you.